Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up the Gear 360 and preparing storage. This matters because firmware and recordings need stable power and space. Once charged to a safe level, insert and lock the micro SD card, then press and hold Power Plus mode to boot. Make sure the indicator lights stabilize before proceeding. This prevents corrupted files. Also check the mount and lens caps are removed because you want unobstructed 360 capture right away. Now you connect the camera to your phone and configure capture settings. Doing this offloads controls and lets you preview shots. Open the Gear 360 app, pair via Wi-Fi, and grant permissions. Once paired, choose photo or video mode and then set resolution. Higher means more detail but larger files. Make sure to check white balance and frame rate so colors and motion look natural. Finally, set file naming or loop options to match your workflow. Finish by framing and recording your 360 scene. Secure the Gear 360 on a tripod or monopod so stitching is clean. You can start and stop recording from the camera or app, and once finished, transfer files over Wi-Fi or remove the card and use a reader for faster transfer. If you encounter freezes, reboot the camera, repair the app, and as a last resort, backup data and reformat the micro SD. That often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.